Hello everyone, now I'm going to explain the third activity. The name of the activity is ice melting experiment from 3 to 5 years. For that, I am going to do an ice melting experiment. I will give each child an ice cube and ask them to predict what happen when the ice melts. So I will show to the children how it gonna be work. So firstly, I get some little bit of hot water in a glass and one uh, some ice cubes in glass. So I'm going to put one of the cube in the water and ice gonna be start melting when we put into water. So I asked children, what do you think will happen to the ice if we leave it in a water for some time? So it shows children start thinking, what happened? Ice gonna be melt soon, and how much time gonna be take to melt it? So will it get smaller or a bigger? So it will convert into a smaller piece or a bigger piece. So the children will observe the melting. So I think the ice gonna be melt. Like, not saying just a little bit piece of ice in that. So I'm going to put more ice cubes. Let's see. Yeah. So with this one, children will observe the melting process and discuss their predictions, introducing basic scientific principles with that. So it explained like Piaget's pre-operational stage, like children begin to understand and cause and affect the relationship and can predict their outcomes, like what outcomes gonna become after that when ice melts. So that when it's little before, the water is like this, the quantity of water is this. Now when we put the ice and ice start melting, the quantity of ice will be like quantity of water will be more. So with that, like the Brunner's discovery learning theory explain, like children's learn through hands-on exploration and experimentations, so which encourage them to discover scientific concept on their own. So they're gonna be maybe try at home. They maybe put more ice cubes and more water and let's see what happened. So with that, cognitive development, that understanding the process of melting and physical changes. So with that, children encourage scientific inquiries, that encouraging prediction and observation as a part of the scientific method. So with that, social development, discussing their observation with the peers and adults. They're gonna be discussing the groups what happened, so that helps their coordination skills as well, and they're gonna be think more about the science. So thank you.